Relationship is very important in all our endeavors in life, and the more so when now it comes to a relationship where you have to make crucial decisions. So now I would like us to look at what men don't like after they get in a relationship. When they have got into a relationship, when they have got now into courtship, what don't men like? It's very important to know what they don't like. One, they don't like excessive jealousy and possessiveness, where as a lady, you are behaving as if you possess them. You become very jealousy. When they are talking with a lady, you always expect there is something happening between them. Men don't like that. Second, there is the aspect of constant nagging. Men don't like constant nagging, constant criticizing. They don't like that. They find that you are treating them like little children. Then there is the aspect of the personal space. Though you are in a relationship, each of you would like to have some moments to be alone, to be with friends. It's important to give each other space. And many times, some don't want to give you space. They want to keep on following you wherever you go. When you want to go to the market, they are with you. Even when you want to go to relax in a park alone, to do meditation, they are with you. They are following you. They don't want to give you space because this is also tied up with the possessiveness. Men also don't like dishonesty. If you just try to become crafty, you become cunning, they will not like to continue with that relationship. Men also will not like to get ladies who ignore their interests. Much as you are in a relationship, people also would like their interests to be taken care of. We have got different interests, and that is a matter of fact. So getting into a relationship does not mean you change your interests in order to accommodate the other person. Always appreciate people's interests, and always appreciate different relationships does not mean submerging your interests to the other person. There is also the aspect of pressure to change. Men don't like to be put a lot of pressure to change. Ladies, if you put a lot of pressure for your men to change, they are going to run away. Men don't like pressure to change. Men also don't like women who take them for granted. Don't assume that this relationship cannot be broken. It can break. So don't take your man for granted. Men also don't want unwarranted drama. So there are women who are drama queens. Men don't want that. Men also don't like comparison with the ex-partners. Ladies, don't compare your man with your ex-boyfriend. They don't like that. Treat him uniquely as he is. And finally, men don't like high maintenance expectations. What do I mean? Where you're expecting very expensive gifts from them, being extravagant, and you expect constant attention from your man. They may not be having energy. They may also not be having money to buy you all what you want. You should be satisfied with moderate life. Thank you very much. It's your family therapist and a relationship coach, Mutea Rukwaro, of A Moment with Rukwaro channel. Have a great day. Thank you.